Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night. My name is Andres Ivan, and I'm going to tell about the marketing brand because it's important for my bachelor's degree. Let's go. Bootcamp. The marketing bootcamp consists of the detailing the financial resources that will be necessary to execute the action required by the marketing strategy during the 3 to 6 month period. Market segment. One of the main benefits of segmenting your audience and selecting a group of staff to reach is the high possibility of reduced cost. This decrease is caused by managing small groups of consumers. 5 steps how to do a market segmentation or market segment. 1. Shows the target market. 2. Consider general criteria. 3. Consumption profile. At this time, the study should consider variables such as lifestyle, states and preferences, opinions, consumption habits. 5. Marketing strategy dancing. This must be adapted to the needs of the company and the market. Sometimes theory is a current relationship between production and consumption. 5. Sale of the product service. Here only the sale of the product happens. Study competition. Competitor analysis allows you to identify strengths and weaknesses to anticipate market threats and to understand provided that makes you different from the customer's point of view. Big note this advantage, you will be able to position yourself to face the state of competitors and make the most of anti-compatibilities. The important points to analyze the competition are taking the point of view of customers or from your point of view. Know the product that we are going to sell. It is essential for every slave person to know if that the product or service they are selling. For that, it is imperative to do an analysis of characteristics, function, advantages, and benefits. We can say that in general, a product is not bound in itself, but involved and the budget accurate the benefits and quick example of picket cap. Characteristic is made with dry-fit fabric. Functions this fabric is lightweight and breathable. Advantage eliminates perception faster. 5. Action plan marketing strategies. In this section, we define the marketing strategy, always going from the most general to the most specific. In the end, it should be very clear what the steps are to follow and in what order we are going to carry them out. Product strategy. Price strategy, sales and distribution strategy, promotion and communication strategy. Ok, eso sería todo. Muchísimas gracias. Thank you very much. Bye bye.